If you're trying to live that hashtag blessed life, try sneezing. Chances are you might get this in response.
God bless you!
Bless you.
God bless you, my child.
We can't pinpoint exactly where the God bless you response started, but there are some theories. A long time ago, people used to think that it wasn't just snot leaving your nose when you sneezed. They thought your soul escaped too. And well, if that was really true, people thought saying God bless you was the least they could do to help out. Another theory involves the Vatican. In the 6th century, a plague wiped out many in Europe. It said Pope Gregory I decreed that when you heard someone sneeze, you should shout out blessings to protect them. Fast forward to the 14th century, it's possible we started saying God bless you during the bubonic plague because sneezing was a sign that you might be sick with it. Today, it's mostly an ingrained reaction. One doctor told the New York Times that it's become an utterance without specific meaning other than a response to a sneeze that is polite in some way. If you don't need help from a higher power after an achoo, consider some alternatives. In German, they say Gesundheit, and in Spanish-speaking countries, they say Salud after a sneeze, which translates roughly to a wishing of good health. Happy sneezing. Casey Mendoza, Newsy, Chicago.